Our ambition is to make the next steps in quantum research, which means the scalability and get closer to industrialization.
So pilot line is super important in order to try, fail, try again, and be able at one point to move into volume production.
Champion, we can work together to be able to deliver something useful for the end users.
It's so important because we have probably the best RTOs in the world in Europe, but we have to work not in a single way.
Developing something together, this is already creating the bridge between academia, institutes and industrial partners.
Pilot line is very important to ensure that we are manufacturing reliable, scalable quantum chips all together at a European scale.
Quantum computing is such a transformative research power, and we as Europeans want to shape that, and therefore it's important to join forces between research, startups and industrialization through companies, and that's why ChampION is an important milestone on this way to achieve the goal.
In order to achieve a quantum computer or quantum sensor, at one point you need to produce something. And if you are focusing just on developments, you are not moving into the problems of industrialization, which is test, integration and so on. So pilot line is super important in order to try, fail, try again, and be able at one point to move into volume production. So you have to think in parallel to the chip itself, where the function of the quantum computer is done, and the quantum computer architecture in general, because you need to have everything together. And this is super complex.
In pilot lines, we are dealing with real use cases. We have many partners from industry. We have to implement their needs with the perspective of developing a scalable solution for the future technology developments.
The next strategic priority is to align all RTOs in Europe in order to work in a different way, and working all together, sharing equipment, sharing expertise, sharing skills in order to produce in Europe and to support industry in Europe in the semiconductor field much more than today.
First of all, we need a stable fabrication base, like a manufacturing environment. We need to make a few key decisions, technical decisions, to converge on a single technology platform, and that's what we do with ChampION.
As we know, Europe is very strong in quantum science. We have the strong talent, researchers, universities, companies working in this area. What is missing is a scalable manufacturing capabilities that can bring these ideas to the industrialization. With ChampION, we try to bridge this gap by providing solutions in the time frame of 3 to 5 years. The success for ChampION means to not be only a project on the paper, but to have a functional pilot for quantum chips established in Europe.